Since moving to the farm, hay was never too big of an issue. I mean, maybe we went through 5 bales a year just during those winter months when the grass was real short. But this past May, we cleared some more pastures, so there would be more grass. Then the drought hit, nothing grew, and here we are, we had to order 20-something bales. As we learned real quick, when you didn't have grass, those bales went really fast and there was a lot of waste. So we kept hearing about different contraptions to use to prevent all this waste from happening. We started off with 4 pieces of a hog panel hooked together. It slowed them down a little bit, but they just tossed hay everywhere. Then enter the hay ring, which worked okay, but animals kept getting inside of it and pooping and peeing, and there was a lot of waste with scenes like this. After we heard about round bale hay nets from our friends having virtually no waste, coupled with the fact that round bales were only lasting 4 days on our farm, we decided to give it a try. So let's join the girls as they demonstrate how to install a round bale hay net. First step, we get the bale off the ground and remove the baling twine. Next, locate the hay net and open it up wide, and play a little game of tug of war, of course. After determining the proper location for the bale, we put the bale back on the ground and then we cover it with the net. We've seen some instructions that have you go ahead and spear the bale to lift it off the ground again after you get it covered. But our spear was too big for the holes in the net, so you'll see how we had to improvise.
Yeah, go for it, girls. Let's see if y'all can push it over. I dare y'all. I dare y'all. All right. All right, let Daddy get the tractor. It's at the bottom. At the bottom. Chicken girl, come on. Chicken girl's over here being a lazy bum.
Next, the girls will dig out the drawstring from underneath the bale so we can get a nice tight wrap around the bottom.
No, you need to do the last bale. I don't have it.
Yes, you do. Ow! I can't find it.
After pulling that drawstring nice and tight, we tie it off and tuck it inside the net. That way, as the hay gets lower, the animals can't get to that knot and just simply untie it and get to the hay.
Right to the hay ring.
After flipping the bale right side up to cover the hole at the bottom, it's time to go get the hay ring.
Whoa, whoa, they got it. All right, high five each other, girls. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's playtime.
Bye.
Now that we got the hay net installed, we're going to do a series of photos from the next few days and just see how long this bale lasts, and also how the net behaves as the bale starts to shrink. Wow, 8 days. We doubled our time from our previous bale. Just for reference, so you know how many animals we had on this bale, we had obviously the goat in the background because she eats the most. We have 4 horses, a bull, 2 steers, 2 cows, and 2 calves. Not only did the bale last longer, but if you look around the hay ring, there is way less waste. One thing to note, the first time that we put the hay net on the bale, all the animals kind of got mad at us, and the horses ended up breaking into the feed shed. Those naughty guys. But after taking some preventative measures to keep them out of the feed shed, they got a hang of the hay net and everything was just fine. Lastly, there seems to be a misconception that the cattle would struggle with the hay net, and this is just not the case. They did perfectly fine out there. At the end of the day, we would highly recommend using this round bale hay net. It really did help cut down on the waste, and obviously it lengthened the amount of time that the bales were lasting. That'll do it for this episode. If y'all liked what y'all saw here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notifications bell. That way you don't miss all of our newest adventures on the farm. And like always, please don't forget to hit that like button, share our videos, leave some comments because we love talking to you guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.